Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add Facebook Pixel to Kajabi. This integration is essential for tracking visitor behavior on your site, running targeted ads, and measuring the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com to access your Kajabi dashboard. Once you're on the home page, you'll need to sign in by clicking the login button and entering your credentials. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, simply click Get Started to create one. This will give you access to all the tools you need to manage your online courses and marketing. After logging in, look at the left navigation panel on your screen. At the bottom left, you'll see an option called Settings. Click on it to open the main settings area. This is your control center for customizing and managing your entire Kajabi account, from design preferences to integrations. From the settings page, you'll have access to all the necessary tools to fine-tune your account. Here, look for an option named Site Details. This is exactly where we'll be adding the MetaPixel code. Once you're in Site Details, scroll down through the page until you find a section labeled Header Scripts. This is the spot where you'll paste the tracking code that allows Facebook to monitor activity on your site. Before we do that, though, we need to grab the code from Facebook, so keep this page open and open a new browser window. In your new browser window, navigate to your Meta Business Events Manager. This is where all your tracking pixels are managed. Once you're on the Events Manager page, click on Connect Data. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Web as your data source, then choose MetaPixel. Facebook will then generate your pixel base code, which is the snippet of tracking code you'll need to paste into Kajabi. Copy this code carefully. Now head back to your Kajabi site settings page where you left off. Paste the MetaPixel code directly into the Header Scripts field. This ensures the tracking pixel loads on every page of your site, capturing all visitor interactions. Once the code is pasted, click Save to finalize the integration. That's it. Your Facebook pixel is now active on your Kajabi site and ready to start collecting data. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.